Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Pi, Sakit Kami, but Kikubo, Baman Kasi.
Menteri Rangba Kajilla Conrad Sangma Mynta kesengi ke santarik ujiliu arhajar arpue kebadai kesengi yada ban penne ke mei mariang ulalet Thung Dieng hamadan lum shilong ha kebaladan lang ringkat menteri ketenat nong kendong ba hamlet sen do ling bat kiwei katkum kejing ong menteri Rangba on Thung Dieng Mynta ke Snem kumbah nyau spa Hectare ke Jaka ha Kajilla Ukirmen ru bakamadan lum shilong ka basu salem pengkan sejer ngam haki Snem ban wan da ka jing Thung yaki Dieng bat ukin tu yaki pai ba ban yas nok tilang da ka bathung yaki Dieng ban yada ya ka mei mariang
So 85%, 90% can be protected as forest. 10% we can keep it like, it's fine, people can do this, but in a responsible way. Yeah, today being World Environment Day, we have been planning to go for mass afforestation in different parts of the state. We plan to cover close to 700 hectares in the coming months. And here we are in Maranlum Shillong area, where we have decided along with the Himalayan and the other local bodies and the leaders here to have a plantation of almost 33 hectares. This plantation will not be monocrop, but it will be a mixed almost a forest which we are planning. So different species and varieties of trees will be planted, and the idea is to really grow these kind of small forests in different parts of the state. So therefore this project is a 33 hectare project, and we are very hopeful that in the years to come all this area behind us, which is barren, will be full of trees. So that's really what the project is, and we started off by planting the trees on an important day like World Environment Day, along with our Honorable Minister for Soil Conservation, Shri Doling, and the other officials from Soil Conservation. So we need the cooperation of the people also, and I hope that people also join us in this movement to ensure that we can convert not just this area but other areas also into mass forest areas. Thank you.